Perfect. Perfect.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I know I've been a little slow uploading some videos, but I'm just trying to keep up with everything and getting back onto video recording. All right, pushing out some product, pushing out some content for y'all. All right, so today what I have going on for me, and as you can see, truck hood is up, grill is off. All right, so I want to make some changes. All right, after taking a photo that I posted on Instagram, by the way, if you're not following my Instagram page, please help me out. I got like 0 followers, but that can change. Let's go ahead, check it out. If you do have an Instagram, go ahead and type in my username and follow me. So what we want to do today, and this won't take long. I already taken off the grill. I'm gonna have to remove this black piece. All right, and you can reference my last Plasti Dip video for the grill. What I want to do is actually paint this white, so everything that's chrome is going to become white, and what is white in here is going to become black. Alright, or before that, I may just try and see how it looks with just white and white. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about that, but I will check it out. If I don't like it, it'll already be set up for painting this black. Alright, but before any of that happens, what needs to be done is this portion needs to be cleaned up. Since this isn't like dead on chrome, it's like plastic kind of. Don't really need to sandpaper it up, but if you do, no worries. Like the Plasti Dip will fill in all those rough edges with like 5 to like 7 coats, whatever. So I got 2 cans of Plasti Dip white. I got 2 cans of Plasti Dip dark. Just a matte black. It was double-sided tape, so if you do have one of these, you take it off. Just buy some additional double-sided tape to throw that emblem back on there and be secured properly, instead of just relying on those 4 little hooks, although it will keep it in there, just be a little movie at times. But that is the plan for today. I'm just going to go ahead and change up the front contrast for the grill. What I really want is the sports appearance package white, the ones that come on the 2019. I'll go ahead and post a photo. Those things are sexy, but you definitely got to pay the sexy price, and I'm not sure if I'm ready for that. So what I want to do is see how this looks for a little bit, put some time into it, and then maybe in the future go ahead and get that sports appearance package grill. Alright guys, so I finished up cleaning. I used my paint prep. Literally use that for everything I paint, so it cleans up all the bullshit essentially. So what I got to do is, now that it's clean, I taped off the little portion that the emblem's gonna have to get taped on, and the holes that it's gonna have to clip in. And so now we are about ready to start Plasti Dipping. All right, so after I get this one coat, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the mesh portion. I got to clean that up still, and then give it another coat. So I'm probably gonna give this, I don't know, at least 5 coats. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So let's go ahead and throw on this first coat.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so it's the next day, finished painting. Not the best Plasti Dipping I have done, but as you can see, there it is. I put about, what is it, 6-7 coats of Plasti Dip, and then a 1 coat, 2 coat of the glossifier. So glossifier, you can barely tell it's there, but it does kind of give it that little shine that does make a difference if you just use the Plasti Dip. I'm going to go ahead and throw it up on the truck and see how it looks after the fact to see if I'm actually going to paint the inner mesh. So let's see what she looks like with it actually installed. Alright guys, so here it is mounted up on the truck. Initial impression, white does not match white. There's a lot of different tints and flavors to white. So our truck's a bright white, or some have pearl white, and then there's Plasti Dip white, you know. So I can tell for sure that they don't match up. And honestly, I don't think I like the white on white look. So I would consider this probably a fail, as well as my painting was not the best. Yeah, I think I do not like the white on white. Now for the insides, I have liked that for the longest time. It's held up very well to all the bugs and debris. Now if this is white, then you're definitely going to be seeing a lot of small bugs. So what I'm going to end up doing is probably peeling off all of this, and maybe checking out black, doing this black, and then leaving the insides white. So I do want to see that color combo, and then I guess we will go from there. Hopefully my painting's a little better. Let's see if I can get this done soon. I want to see with black and see if that's going to be good or not. I may end up peeling that again too, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm working off of the 5th coat, so let's go ahead and get this done. Oh yeah, fresh can too. Now I have the black portion and the white, so I added some more coats up on the white mesh, just a few more. It has been holding up very, very well. So if y'all have been wondering how well that's been holding up, yeah, it catches some bug guts and whatnot. Now I have this black, so we're about to throw this back on the truck and see how well it really looks, or if it looks shitty, and then I'll have to make some more changes. Interesting. That doesn't look too bad. Alright, so just so y'all know, I finished this right around like 6 p.m. yesterday, so it's been drying. It's like 9 a.m. Definitely gave it some hours to dry and cure. It can definitely use some more, but that's about 7 coats, black Plasti Dip, and I just did like 2 or 3 more coats on the white mesh. It really doesn't look that bad. I kind of like it. Now what I'm going to do is just leave it on there for a while, since I like put so much time into Plasti Dipping this weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on those 4 screws, make sure it's all plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and throw the emblem back in there, and see how it looks with the hood closed once everything is done. Alright, so I need y'all's help. It looks pretty decent. I'm going to ride with it for a little bit and see how much I actually like it. But y'all are going to have to be honest with me and see how that'll look with a black bumper. Now I do want to get like say a black with a bull bar look, you know, something that comes across right there. But for now, this is gonna have to work. I'm thinking far ahead. I'm not really seeing this chrome bumper. Y'all gonna have to let me know how much that looks. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any comments. I do read every comment, and I absolutely respond to every comment. Feel free to leave those comments based off of what you think of this Plasti Dip, the grill combo, and whatnot. And I will read and I will respond to every one of those comments. It's what I do. And so there are a few, and I appreciate y'all that always leave comments. And thank y'all for that. But until next time, ciao.